pack of the birds.
Look at them on the ground over here.
Whoa.
I mean, they are everywhere. They're gonna fly into the car and take away Zane. No.
No. Beep the horn.
Good job, babies.
This is insane. It makes me think of the movie Birds.
Right?
Give me something to throw.
Here.
Oh wait.
Wow.
Holy crap.
That's a lot of birds.
Fly away, birds.
That's just insane. There's hundreds.
I need to come down here with the camera and set up.
Hundreds of thousands of them, easily. They're just everywhere.
And they're crows, are they? Yeah.
No.
Some are crows. They're like up there, over there,
There's a bunch of different ones.
over
but
here.
There's just too many.
That mountain over there is covered with them. They're all alongside the road over there. That is awesome.